Hey, good afternoon everyone. In today's tutorial we're going to review how to set material in your SolidWorks parts. Properly setting up the material allows you to accurately calculate mass and inertia values, run stress simulations, and set default appearances for your parts. This will be a critical skill for anyone who's looking to take any of the SolidWorks Certification Exams, from the Certified SolidWorks Associate all the way to the Certified SolidWorks Expert exam. You will need to do this for every single part that you work on in all of those exams. We'll start by opening up a new part in SolidWorks. I'm using the part from question 6 of the Certified SolidWorks Associate Practice exam for this example. To set the material, you will right-click on the Material option from your feature design tree and select Edit Material. Here you can choose from a variety of different materials, from different metals to plastics to non-metals, carbon fiber, rubber, and even woods. For this example, we will set our material to 6061-T6 aluminum alloy because it's an easy to machine material which will work well for this part. So we will expand out our aluminum alloys tab and scroll down till we find the material we're looking for. So here we have 6063 T6. We will select it. We see that a number of different material properties have populated. You can edit the units for these properties by selecting the drop down here, whether or not you want different SI, metric, or English units. To set the material for the part, we will select Apply and Close. As you can see, the color of the part has changed from the SolidWorks default bluish gray. It's a more silvered metallic color. The mass properties for the part are now driven by the mechanical properties of the material, giving an accurate mass value, which is shown here to be 147.84 grams. And we'll close our mass properties. If we wanted to set this material to be one of our favorites, there's a few different ways. We can simply go down to Manage Favorites and find our material, which was under aluminum alloys 6063-T6, and select Add, and the material will now show up at the bottom of our favorites list. We can adjust the order by selecting a material and hitting the up or down icons here. We'll hit Close. So now when we go back to our material, we see that 6063-T6 is one of our favorites, so we can quickly select it for future parts. Right. This concludes my quick tutorial on setting material in SolidWorks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get notifications about future tutorials on the channel. I'm planning on doing a lot of tutorials to help prepare you for the different certification exams, so that will be one of my themes moving forward. So please be sure to subscribe so you get notified as I create these different videos. Thank you so much for your time and have an awesome day.